I was born with the ways of an outlaw man, but I grew up with manners, still saying no and yes ma'am. We was born as dirt, I got new clothes just once a year, and I was the black sheep of the fam. Turned 16 and I was all alone, running them Tennessee roads, just trying to make it on my own. My papa was an outlaw man, coon hunting and fighting them roosters. I was just 7 years old, first time I tried some deer. We was coon hunting late one night when he pulled out his pistol and told me no one was gonna mess with us tonight. Mama had her problems and Daddy just didn't care. My nanny tried her best, my brother did the rest. I was 12 years old and left homeless when we put her to rest. That's really when my life turned into a big mess. Mama went crazy, brother moved on, so there I was just all alone. So I turned into a rebel, some would say a devil, but now I'm grown and a family man. My wife, my son, and a few pits. Been through hard times, but I'm standing tall. The outlaw blood runs deep in us all. I was born with the ways of an outlaw man, but I grew up with manners, still saying no and yes ma'am.